I'm really amazed to see the number and frequency of the advertisements for the kids to learn coding. It's becoming an FMCG product and similar to the fish market. Even book publishers are coming up with coding books for kindergarten kids. Such aggressive marketing is making parents feel that this is going to be the next big thing and all other specializations and skills are a waste and every kid should become a coder. What we all are missing is that kids need to know how things work. They need to learn to observe and understand the pattern. What's more important is to build life skills in children like critical thinking, decision making, expressing self. That can be done without teaching coding too. They may not need to know programming right now. The world is already moving towards no code. When I was in school, I learned HTML, and when I entered the business world, there were ready-made tools available to build a website. Just drag and drop. Perhaps when these kids grow up, they will also get ready-made codes, and they may never need to code or code very little. But they need to know what's underneath so that they know how best to use what they have. They need to enhance their skills to visualize, be able to break down complex problems into pieces and learn about how everything works. Else, they will always be passive consumers of technology. I have a 3-year-old daughter and I ensure imparting knowledge about such skills to my kid by playing lots of games and puzzles like this and taking out maximum learning from it. There are 8 plus 6 pieces which can be arranged to form unique pattern and designs. This is way better than any coding course and ensures that the concepts and fundamentals of the coding or any problem solving process is learned. Let me explain this with a few of our recordings. Coding is a set of instructions given to the computer to solve a problem. It's similar to the command we give to our brain to respond to a scenario. Hence, more than theory or words, it should be purposeful. The purpose to solve the problem in shortest time. The purpose to come up with something unique. The purpose to keep learning from every single move we make. And that's what is more important for anything that kids do. Humans speak to different people in the language they understand. Same applies for gadgets and games. We all have our own set of codes, rules and limitations. With such activities, introducing her with words like purpose, vision, problem, process has become easy for me. Once we understand that, then engaging with the problem is very easy. As a programmer, she is defining and analyzing the problem, critically evaluating what is that she knows and what to obtain. She is simultaneously making a plan for the solution. She is creating a visual flowchart, a pictorial representation of the steps involved. She is continually asking questions to self, whether one piece will go with the other or not, what patterns are emerging, how many pieces need to be replaced or changed, at what point she needs to restart again. Will this be even solved or not? A constant juggle and a never-ending battle in mind. What exactly is happening in her mind is that she is collecting and labeling data. We as adults call it classifying data as either argument, statement or information, something crucial for any coding or problem solving process. She is evaluating alternatives and learning how to take informed decisions. After a while, she is able to get the right formation. Once she was able to understand the logic and the format, she started writing her own codes to come up with new designs each time. She is now trying to put different pieces together to create new shapes on her own. She is testing all the rules and regulations to enhance learning and come up with better designs, trying to break down the original program into different segments and reworking with them to generate new patterns. She is debugging while running the program in her head. At some point in time, there are situations when she can't proceed further. She tries to detect and locate the issue. If ensuring the correct sequence and orientation is essential, then the command given to the mind has to be correct. And with that thought process, she is continuously making new combinations and flowcharts in her mind, working at creating modules, models and formulas. The instructions and puzzle pieces remain the same, but the possibilities are endless. With the same rules, she is training her brain to visualize and think critically with every step. The more time she is investing with the puzzle, the more clarity she is getting about the mental codes and the process to solve the puzzle. The satisfaction level of creating something new and different with every attempt is beyond. The puzzle came with 50 patterns and now we have more than 100 designs in place. A lot of machine learning is happening in her computer brain. Understanding the logic underneath such complex problems at this stage will ensure that she understands the terminology like machine learning and artificial intelligence easily when the time comes. Grasping the attention of young minds is the key to teaching them such new concepts. And as a parent, I also motivate her to weave some stories around the design. This keeps her hooked and intrigued, and also helps her think creatively to come up with new characters and new stories every time. At times, when she is not able to get any quick combinations, I have seen her sitting on the chair for almost 40 to 45 minutes to get one, and that's amazing. Our future expects our kids to make the best use of the available resources, and such games and activities develop that thinking at the belief level. While the world will keep changing, let's appreciate the fact that life skills will always be the foundation for long-term growth. Spend some quality time with your kids. Help them learn how things work. It's not about languages like Scratch, Python or Java. It's about understanding what's underneath so that they know how best to use what they have. This will enable them to pick a relevant and meaningful career for themselves. Don't worry about coding. Just ensure a sound and effective learning process. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Let's make the work environment more capable and compassionate. Thank you.